Welcome to Hoi An, the city of Flanders.
My mind is in a different place. I haven't been awake for years. I know you try to bring me back. It's in my veins. I was so beyond my feet. I knew that you would rescue me. The antidote is kicking in. It's in my veins. We'll never break apart. 'Cause I know you love me. The antidote will reach my heart. It's in my veins. We'll never break apart. 'Cause I know you love me. The antidote will reach my heart. It's in my veins.
Good afternoon from Hoi An. Today it's actually our last day here in Hoi An, and now we are going to the old town.
Cái tích không? Vô, họ cũng sẽ dạo qua đây kiếm cái tích không? Còn phóng vô nữa cái tích xe không?
Chỉ là
Lộn sĩ lộn gì?
Chỉ là
Một con nước màu thôi.
đây lộn gì hả?
Lộn gì hả?
Đây cái chơi.
Hôm nay ăn tộc uống thiệt cái chứ.
Ông đánh rượu mua đó chờ ông để rượu mua ông rượu mua ăn rồi mình nữa chưa chơi.
He made all this here. That's incredible. Look. So you make all this? You do? So difficult. It's time for some cold tea. So let's get some cold peach tea here and M99. This is not a base, it's Daniel's squeezed lemon juice. This is the base, they look kind of the same though. Cheers! Cao Lào.
Okay, wait. Say it.
Cao Lào. It's called bang gao. Bang gao means rice in Vietnamese.
Bằng gạo.
Bang gao. Yes, so this is bang gao. Dry bang gao rice, like a chips, but they use it for soups. They put that inside in the soup. It's amazing how they do it. So hot. There is not many people right now here at the beach, which is amazing. It's so hot and we are so hungry. Next to us it's a Greek restaurant and we would love to try. So let's get in and try the Greek food here in Hoi An. So let's see what we're gonna eat. They have the kiosks. Let's go inside and see. Hello, Miss see what we're gonna eat today. Looks very nice. We ordered chicken pita wrap, which is 55. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. So we got pita wrap for lunch today here at the Greek restaurant. Cheers.
When you are in Hoi An and you crave some Greek food, that's the place. It's called Greek Souvlaki. The best pita wraps we ever eaten. Amazing. I love it.
So we got some Greek yogurt with olive oil and cucumbers and garlic. It's so good. We also ordered dessert, but I forgot to film it in the beginning, and now it's melting. But it's delicious. We already tried it. So we have arrived at the temple gate. It looks beautiful. And the lilies are about to bloom. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I really don't want to be in his way. Do you?
No, it's scary.
We're gonna get some mango ice cream today.
For you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Looks so delicious. Cheers. How is it?
Love it. Passion fruit with white chocolate. It's really good.
So good. It's so hot and it's melting so fast. Mango ice cream.
Passion fruit with white chocolate. I love it.
So good. I highly recommend you to come to this gallery. It's free and it's beautiful. You'll see so many beautiful pieces here. This guy is absolutely a great photographer. Look at the grammar. Oh, it's so cute. So this is the photographer with his biography here. He's a French artist. Isn't she cute? Now it's time for a massage. Let's go. So we're going to Tarmay massage. It's time for foot massage.
My favorite one.
Yes, we love foot massage here in Hoi An.
After a long walk here, Hoi An is one of the best small towns we ever been here in Vietnam.
Beautiful.
Beautiful town.
We highly recommend it if you're wondering where to go in Vietnam.
The only minus, I would say, too many tourists.
Yes.
That's the only thing that we don't like that much.
But now it's time for a foot massage. So we just learned a word in Vietnamese. Xinh đẹp means beautiful.
My thoughts have never been clearer. I see what you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down, I probably knew this. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. They made us lose our focus. The very same